Welcome to my laboratory here at Harvard Medical School. It's split between the new research building here and the Center for Life Sciences building next door, where we have the Wyss Institute for Biologically Inspired Engineering. We have a total staff in my lab of about 100 graduate students, postdocs, and engineers. And we heavily encourage attitude of sharing and collaboration and innovation, especially in the context of generating new basic enabling technologies. We've produced on the order of 350 articles and 60 patents over the years, and many of the students and postdocs go on to become either professors or start their own companies or join many of them in the Boston area. Boston is really an amazing community, full of innovation, but innovation that is transferable into the commercial space, partly because we have some strong engineering universities, MIT and Harvard. We have a strong medical school where the goal is to get therapies and diagnostics out into the world. The graduate student population is amazing in being willing to take risks and delivering on those, and the entrepreneurial environment is carryover from the electronics and computing revolution that again was Harvard and MIT, Route 128 and so forth. So the innovation that is sparked among the young members of the community is seeing all this activity in the background, the high tech and the biotech, and inspiring them to think a little bit more out of the box. There's some very distinctive laboratories that are highly plugged into the venture capital environment. Bob Langner's and mine, for example, George Whiteside's, so that you can have sort of serial entrepreneurship going on with where a new idea gets to take root very quickly, and so it's a positive feedback loop that impacts all the students and postdocs as well. My first introduction into the biotech was with BioRad and Biogen. So my PhD advisor, Wally Gilbert, was in the process of founding Biogen when I met him, and this was, of course, very inspiring to me as a beginning graduate student. We would have many conversations, and I eventually I was one of the first employees at Biogen. Other little startups have included At Vitro and Good Start Genetics, and most recently Warp Drive, Editas, and Egenesis. Some of these are based on CRISPR technology for human gene therapy, or on small molecule pharmaceuticals from streptomyces and other related bacteria.